back to another episode of Two Drunk Dads, the show before the show where we make the drinks we drink on the show, where we drink the drinks and talk about stuff. I love you.
Two Drunk Dads.
I hate when you do that. All right.
That's why I do it.
We're going to be pretty plain today, and mostly because Jared's bad at planning.
Kicking it old school, more like it.
So we're going to drink like we're 18 again.
Woohoo!
We're going to make
alcohol poisoning.
Some rum and cokes. But
we don't condone drinking under the age of 21.
And we're going to do it the way you do it when you're 18, and you just wing it.
21.
So maybe you die. So first, we're just going to put in that much Coke.
Always use that much as a measurement.
About that many Cokes. Because when I was a kid, I started with the rum. And then added the Cokes.
You're taking my job here.
You're always bad at it. And then we're going to put
one job I have. That much.
That much rum? That seems reasonable.
And since this is a Caucasian rum and Coke,
we're not calling it that.
I call it what I want, whether it's that or not.
Since we're grown-ups and more mature, we're going to throw in a splash of vanilla vodka.
That one.
Making this a vanilla rum and Coke.
Or a Caucasian. You tell us which one you like better in the comments. We'll change the thumbnail if need be.
I'm just going to make the thumbnail, and then it's going to be what I want it to be.
But you can always have a say in what it is. Funny story about rum and Coke, though. When I was younger, I'm not going to say my age because illegalities.
I think you're fine now.
Like statutes of limitations?
Statues of libertation.
Statues of libertations. When I was younger, we actually used to watch a friend's sister's house, and while she was away, she would buy us Coke, like a lot of it, like packs. And then we would get rum, legally or illegally, not naming any names, and then we would drink the rum, and it never ever occurred to us to mix it with Coke. Ever. A single time.
That doesn't make any sense, because when I was a kid, I knew that was a thing, and I would just fill a glass with rum, and then I'd be like, oh, I should add Coke, and then I would just pour it until it was brown.
No, we would chase it with Smirnoff Ices, because we were like, oh, this burns, what should we do? Drink a Smirnoff Ice.
Throw up.
Yeah, super bad heartburn all the time.
Super gross.
It was really bad. Should we taste this? See if it tastes good now?
Tell us the first time you had a rum and Coke was. It probably wasn't 21.
Yeah, I feel like everybody has a rum and Coke story, right? That's like everybody's like first drink.
I don't know, I mostly drink whiskey.
I know. Let's try it. You definitely taste the vanilla because it's on top.
Wow, the vanilla comes through really good.
I think it's because we didn't stir it. Because when you are a child drinking, you don't stir things.
Stirring's for jerks.
Good save.
All right, remember, we're PG-13 now. I didn't say the bad word.
And you shouldn't either. Also, don't drink before you're 21. Right
in the comments, point it and tell us what age you were when you started drinking. I stopped drinking when I was 21.
Wow. All right then. See you on the show.